bank reconciliation statement, starting with balance as per cash book. Okay? Now you know when we are studying questions in accounting, we have two methods. We use that's the T format and the vertical format. But for the course of this lesson, we'll be using vertical format. We're all used to the T format, so we'll be using vertical format. Now, you have, don't forget your currency sign. Don't forget your currency signs. We have balance as per cash book. Cash book. So you have something here. And those are the things you're going to have. And those are the reasons I said that causes agreement between cash book and bank statements. Unpresented check. Unpresented checks. I will explain that when we are solving questions. So I don't want the video to be too long. Okay? Then, dividend. Now, before I don't go, what are those things we need to add to cash book? You know, to make it easier. See, anything that is already added to the bank statement in your own bank, any value that is added to the bank, but has not been added to the cash book. You know, in that case, your bank statement will be higher than your cash book. You need to add them back to it. I will explain when solving question. I will explain why you need to add them back. You understand? And I said anything that you have already added to your cash book, but not in the bank statement. When you make them agree, those values, add them back to your bank statement. That's the reason for this format. Now, dividend, add it to cash book. You have credit transfer, add it. You have payment under cash or payment over cash, payment over cash. Then we have receipts under cash, add it, and so on and so forth. So when you add all this one, the addition of all this one bring the final answer here, you get the value. Then the less uncredited check. Uncredited check. You have dishonored check. Dishonored checks. You have okay, we have undercast. We have receipts overcast. We have bank error. We have standing order. We have bank charges. Subtract it. When you add all these values together, then you have a value here. So which will be subtracted from this. Look at this, less. So when you subtract it, you have a value. And the value must be equal to balance as per bank statement you have in the question. So the value here, the last one we had will what? Balance as per bank statement. Now, when you start with balance as per bank, this is when you start with balance as per cash book. This is how you're going to have it. But when you're starting with balance as per bank statements, so all these ones, you are not going to less again. You are going to add all this. All this, you are going to add to your balance as per bank statement. Then you subtract this from the value, the way you did this one, you understand? But the difference is, when you start with this one will be on top here, you understand? You are going to begin with balance as per bank statement. Then you're going to add all this one to it. The way you added this, then you subtract all this one from it. Do you understand? So that is when you're starting with balance as per bank statement. So now, but balance as per overdraft, if it is overdraft as per cash book, where we have it. So the way you solve balance as per bank statement, when you start with balance as per bank statement, your balance as per cash book will be here. All this one will be added. Do you understand? And this one, you're going to have balance as per cash book here normally. But all this one will be subtracted while all this one will be added. That is the opposite of what you have drawn, like this. So which is the same thing of what you did with what? Balance as per bank statement. So when you start with balance as per bank statement, balance as per overdraft as per bank statements. Do you understand? So you know we ought to add this one normally, but no, we are going to add this one. It will be overdraft as per bank statement. Add this one, then you subtract this one. So with that, I think we're able to understand the format of bank reconciliation statement. Let's solve these questions.